What's going on YouTube? It's Matthew again with the Printing Workshop, and today I'm going to show you real quick how to change out the transfer roller on a Xerox AltaLink B8090. Alright, let's get into it. First thing we're going to do is open that left side cover. Down about halfway down on the cover side, you'll see R4 with a black arrow. That R4 is your transfer roller. You'll take your thumbs and put them at the top of the clips, and you'll take your forefingers and you'll put them at the bottom of the clips, and there is your transfer roller once you get it out. Pretty simple. When we go back in with this new one, it's kind of the same idea. You're just going to grab that, I call them horns, they look like horns. Grab those back horns with your thumbs and grab the front two latches with your forefingers. Now, when you're going back in with it, it can be kind of tricky. So here's what you do. Set it down into that hole and then squeeze back on those latches with your forefingers, and that should allow you to slide it right into place. And then let go and those latches should be in place. Once you do that, take your thumbs and push down on those orange pieces of plastic so that you make sure it's latched in place real good. Once you have that done, you can close up that left side cover, making sure that your rear and front latches are latched in place, and you are back in business. If you'd like to see more how-to videos on this same model, click here. Hey everybody, from all of us here at the Printing Workshop, we'd like to say thank you for taking a look at our videos. If you have any questions about this model or any other Xerox models, leave us a comment. And as always, remember, like and subscribe.